Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making the best ever Guyanese cowheel and beef soup. It is rich, hearty, flavorful, and comforting. I haven't had cowheel soup in so long, so I do hope you guys love this one. So first up, we are going to wash our meat. As I mentioned, we're using cowheel and beef. So here are the rest of my ingredients, my provisions: plantains, cassava, sweet potatoes, the rest of my herbs and spices. So now we are going to season our meat. And everything that I'm using here, guys, will be in the description box. So to my pressure cooker, I am going to add some oil, saute my aromatics, just like my mom used to do. Make this soup so much more flavorful. Add my washed split peas. Then I'm going to add my meat here. You're building levels of flavor as we go along in this soup. So delicious. And then you are going to add your water. Stock or stock and water, your choice. Cook until the meat is nice and tender. This is about 15 minutes because pressure cooker, that meat is going to get tender really fast. And of course, we want the split peas not grainy but nice and smooth. And this is the best way to actually get the split peas to be nice and smooth. You know, no grains, as you can see here. It's looking good over here. Absolutely delicious. Next, what I'm going to do is add my provisions. Do not put the pressure cooker cover back on the pressure cooker. Just let this cook nice and slow until the meat is, the provisions are nice and tender. Now I'm going to be making my delicious mouth-watering dumplings. Everything that I'm using here as well will be in the description box. So I did remove the provisions after it was nice and tender. Add my dumplings. Now when the dumplings are done, I re-add the provisions, taste and adjust, and it is done. Perfection. I can't wait for you guys to try it. Now if you like cowheel, this is going to be the soup for you. All right, so I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know if you ever had cowheel soup before, and thank you for spending the time with me today. Be kind to yourself and each other. Love you guys. See you all on the next video.